Does AI equal deep learning? How will deep learning work when there is no data or very limited data, such as in the maintenance of equipment? Traditional deep learning often fails in the maintenance space due to its dependence on vast data sets which can take years to accumulate, especially for new machines where data on defective equipment is usually unavailable. There just is never enough information on when and how the equipment might fail, making the use of deep learning impractical. To address this limitation, iOmniscient developed a new AI methodology called intuitive AI, which is particularly useful for predictive maintenance. It emulates the way humans think. It makes use of its multi-sensory analytics, utilizing video, sound and smell, leveraging past experiences, known rules, and expert opinion to understand in real time if an equipment component has worn out or to determine if it is about to break down. iOmniscient's extremely well-honed multisensory perception capability can determine if an object has deteriorated from its normal operating performance by detecting anomalies. With iOmniscient-ready 300-plus proven visual AI algorithms, the system can see and detect defects in real time, highlighting loose components, scratches, dents, rusty or oily parts, deformation such as the thinning or thickening of parts, missing or shifted components, leakages, changes in color, the presence of smoke, steam or vapor, and a host of anomalies, just as a human would if they were watching the equipment. The system's ability to distinguish between over 100 distinct sounds, such as engine vibrations, the rattling of conveyor belts, running water and breaking glass, can help determine if the equipment is about to suffer from a cataclysmic failure. iOmniscient's unique eNose technology can tell if there is an unusual smell in the environment, which can be critical in food processing, waste disposal, and in determining if equipment is overheating. The system comes with a predictive analysis capability able to incorporate inputs from an expert to narrow down the types of anomalies that one has to search for. This is particularly useful for brand new equipment that did not have any record of past defects. The predictive capabilities of the system can enhance safety and substantially reduce manpower and repair costs. The technology is augmented by our efficient, unmanned data collection processes, which are designed to ensure quality inputs, which in turn guarantee accurate outcomes. Routine inspections of plant rooms can be done using moving IoT devices such as microphone and smell devices mounted along with the pan tilt zoom cameras. Such devices can also be attached to drones that can be sent into confined spaces such as inside an elevator, well reducing effort and increasing safety for the inspector who would otherwise have to climb down there. By combining multisensory analytics together with the no-deep-learning approach, we can cover a very wide range of use cases across many industries, such as transportation, where it can ensure that signaling equipment is operating effectively. The food industry, where quality control of ingredients is critical. Building management for the inspections of elevators and escalators and the monitoring of plant rooms and factory assembly lines and construction sites. The system helps organizations that are suffering from a shortage of skilled inspectors or where regular equipment inspection is difficult because of the difficulty of accessing the equipment, which may be remote or in dangerous locations. Having an iOmniscient system is like having an expert present watching, listening to and smelling your equipment continuously to make sure it is operating optimally. And unlike humans, the system does not need to rest, and you get accurate, actionable insights that prevent breakdowns and reduce downtime.